perspective and what's your perspective that which education system is very good? It means offline system is very good for it means completing a study and what's your perception?
Bro, it's my perception. Online better education for offline than offline education.
You are saying that online
Yes.
education is much better as compared to offline.
Offline
And
education.
what's your intention and what's your perception that which education system is good, online or offline?
Online.
Online.
Yeah.
Even also you both are saying in the
online
favor
classes,
of online.
Online.
It means also I have to
Yeah.
debate.
Yes,
Okay,
yeah.
that's great. Also I'm feeling very glad to debate with you all. So now you can you tell me that why you are favoring online that is much good as compared to offline.
First of all, thank you so much, guys, watching this videos.
Yeah.
Today I want to discuss a very important topic. Everybody know education is important for our life, but which education is the best? Online education and offline education. So according to me, online classes is best because you have saved your time compared to offline classes. You watching videos anywhere, like you at your home, at your office, and at
Likewise, guys, you can see the boys saying that online education is best because the online education people can do in bathroom, in washroom.
Yeah, really,
Okay.
that's
Really,
really,
bro,
that's
Yes,
really.
that this is the
Yeah,
reality.
yeah, yeah.
This,
Also-
this because of this, the boys are favoring online education system.
yeah.
What is this? It means the people.
offline classes mean time best.
Yeah,
Time
bro,
waste?
Yeah,
yes,
timing
bro,
waste.
Timing waste, bro. Waste of time,
Yeah.
bro, in offline class, bro.
But I would say that offline education system is very good as compared to online because each and everything in offline is very good. Even you are buying any product, okay. If you are even you are playing any types of game offline, you need to play in playground that could be helpful for yourself. Don't go. It means inside of room and do such types of activities. It means playing game in a mobile phone. Okay.
You can also
So,
play
even
game in
if
online
you get
classes.
chance,
brother.
if you have
can
chance to
complete your
study in a
online
school,
classes
okay.
and then go outside and playing many types of game, brother.
But in
Depend
offline
on yourself,
class,
na, brother.
lot of time include in
Yeah.
offline class.
Online,
Waste of
offline
time.
classes you miss, so you miss neighbor. Suppose that you have an emergency work. That's
Guys,
one day.
just
so you can go your
I'm
work.
watching and I'm listening the statement of these boys. Okay.
Okay.
But I am not agree with you all. Somewhere you are a little bit right, but this boy is completely wrong because one thing I want to make
How
you all
can you say that
understand.
this boys is wrong?
Just listen. Let me complete how you all are wrong. Because you know that in online education system and people were used to study by watching videos and by in our online like any like PW and KGS
Yeah.
Khan Center and many more applications are there on which people used to where all people used to study okay in a online mode. But you don't know sometimes people feel it means demotivated. But in
Right.
offline education, what used to happen? Sir used to stay in your classroom, and you used to study by sitting together. There would be multiple people who all would be studying, and also by seeing that all, you would feel that yes, as everybody is studying. Also,
You
I
also
should
feel
study.
in online class, brother.
Yes,
You
bro,
can't feel a study.
your
Because
Online
online
classes
also-
we
because
also
my-
provide live classes,
Yes,
brother.
bro, and
How can
your
you say that?
Because
your
likewise
parents
before
also-
he says that people can study in online by in also in washroom and bathroom and
Yeah,
everywhere.
that's good.
Also right
Yeah.
now he is saying, but some times people feel demotivated and
How can you say
distract
that
the
people
people.
feel
Okay,
demotivated, brother?
okay, that's why. So
In
that-
offline class, you have missed one class, so you can
Yes,
miss.
you cannot,
In
uh,
online class, you missed, and then the next day you watch this
What
classes
and recorded
and record it and all time, every time.
and the revision
Understand?
quickly, bro.
And one thing is that revision quickly, that is not be a big deal for revision. If you are studying in offline, you can make your notes and you can recall that again and again. But in online is very, it means even offline is very, it means an advantage, okay, and this is very bad. That is very bad because that affects your eyes, guys. Don't study in a laptop and cell phone, and by you don't use this type of product, it's
that's
possible
not
to
good.
study.
You can change
That is right.
change system and night mode in night mode and
Of course,
Bro,
you can.
but
Suppose that
Yes,
you
Yeah,
you
this
have
people-
only one
Everybody,
person on your
everybody
room.
is study in offline center. By
How
doing
can you say that
enjoyment
everybody
and-
enjoy offline center, brother?
how I
70%
cannot say
Indian qualify your exam by online classes,
Yes,
brother.
bro.
this is not a reality, and this
Online
is
classes, you have option. Any teacher you can choose this.
in India,
Yeah. You can choose any teacher, brother, out of
70%
country.
people belonging to BPL line. And
but you all don't know, in offline also there is a fraud system. Okay, you can be frauded
can
by,
a fraud
and
system,
one thing is
brother?
that some
I
everywhere
know,
is
you
not
can
multiple.
search, na.
One thing you both need to understand, that everywhere is not it means multiple option that you can choose, but that I have to study to this teacher and that teacher. So I would speak that if possible, then study in offline. If you have any doubt, you can take
can
also
also-
teachers
you can also
just
clear your doubt
let me
in
complete
online
that.
classes,
Suppose
brother.
also teachers used to take, it means dot class. In dot class you all can ask wherever you all have, it means a dot. Okay, so ask to teacher that, yes sir, I am not able to understand. Teacher would definitely make you
How
understand,
many
because
times teacher
with
repeat
priority,
this
teacher's
topic?
priority to make
How
you all
many
understand.
times teacher
Okay,
repeat this only
and
one
the teacher,
topic?
if teacher
First
is
of all, tell me how many
this
times
future
teacher repeat only
available
one
in
topic?
online class.
okay, how many
How
times?
many times?
Multiple, more than 10
What
times.
do you mean multiple?
Also, I have completed
That's
my
wrong.
12th.
Not
you-
multiple time.
okay,
Only 2 and 3 times.
Okay,
Yes,
the things
in
need to
online-
happen.
in
Okay,
online class,
okay,
you
let me
can-
complete first of all
You
whatever
in
you are
online
spoken.
class,
That
you
was, I am
can-
totally agree with your
you can
opinion.
watch any
But let
time
me
video,
complete
brother.
that. You need to understand also. I have completed my study. 10th standard and 12th standard. Teacher used to make us recall again and again. And there
How
is
many
it is-
times? Only 2 to 3 days.
Oh,
3 times.
guys,
Then-
if
and then-
even
if you have
you
recorded
need to
video,
understand
you
one thing
can
is that if in
watch
online
any time,
education,
many
in online
times.
education
After your
system,
teacher will be
you
angry
need to
if you one time or
ask
2 times, 3 times.
and again. But offline, what used to happen? You can ask to sir that, sir, I'm not able to understand this.
So you can
if
also
you
ask
understand-
in live class,
Yes,
brother.
bro.
Bro, if you are not able to understand any single question, so okay, then
Actually,
how?
online
Suppose
classes,
that-
teacher provide you
just-
a phone number. Understand?
Yes,
And then
bro.
you call
If
teacher and
just
clear your doubt,
10
brother.
10,000 students in online system education, okay, in online system,
And
10,000
second,
students are
second,
studying
you
just
have
now
said your
understanding
mind,
that
brother.
if
Many
people
people
not
not deserve
okay,
to
then
pay
how you would ask to
lot
sir,
of,
that, sir, I'm not
money,
able to understand.
understand?
If everybody would call
You
to
can
make
purchase
contact with
less-
sir, then how they would ask to sir.
Listen,
Hey,
brother,
hey,
listen,
bro, hey,
listen,
bro.
listen.
Hey, many institute provide AI.
Yeah, bro, just AI, but online system,
And
okay.
brother,
Yes,
listen,
Okay,
listen.
if you want to
You
take
can
if
purchase
you want to
only-
take support, if you want to take support by online, then you can. There is Google, YouTube, and
Yeah,
many more.
yeah.
Okay, you can study by there. You can it means clear your concept a little bit, but you
Okay.
can study in offline sector, because you don't need to go in online system. Okay, there is people are, it means losting is people are not performing. There is not any pressure,
How
and
can
people are not feeling
performing in online
motivated.
classes?
People there is a lot of distraction. People are not doing it means work in proper way.
class, bro. Yeah,
In offline class,
Brother,
there is
listen,
people
listen.
even in online